Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up or add an email account in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open our Google Chrome. Okay, so the moment you open your Google Chrome, you can see there a Google app icon here. Just have to click on that at the upper right side of your screen beside your user account. Click on that, and the moment you click on it, you'll be able to see all the Google applications in your Google Chrome. Here you need to look for Gmail. Okay, so I can see there, simply click on it to open. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you will be redirected here at the Gmail account itself. Okay, here in my case, I have just logged in my Gmail account. Now, in order to add or set up a new Gmail account here, click this user icon. And the moment you click on it, this new window will appear. And here you can see add another account. Click on it. And the moment you click on that, you will be redirected to the registration or signed in of your new account. Here, since we are going to create a create new account, go with this create account, and it has this different option. You can go with for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. I'll go with this for my personal use, and it asks you here to input your first name and last name. Let's say I'm going with this Max Styles. Okay, just input, and the last name would be Styles. So whatever the name or last name that you have, just input it. I'm just showing you an example here. Okay, click on next. And the moment you click on that, you will be asked for your birthday and gender. So let's select the month that you have burned with. Okay, let's go with this. Once done, just have to go with this gender. You can either select your gender or you can go with rather not to say. Okay, I'll go with this. And click on next to proceed. Okay, so here you can choose either the two of this or you can go with this create your own Gmail address. I'll go with this recommended one, which is maxstyles960 at gmail.com. Click on next and just have to type your password. Let's say, for example, I'll be typing my password. Make sure that your password is in characters. It goes with a name and a number and a special characters also to create a strong password. Okay, then click on next to proceed. Once done, just have to input your phone number. You can also go with next or just have to it is required actually to input a phone number. Okay, just input your phone number, and once you inputted your number, you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to create an account in your Windows or computer. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.